Hello guys. Donna Lisa with Zula Info here doing a shopping haul. We went to Habitat for Humanity yesterday, and Habitat for Humanity is next door to the Restore, and they have different hours. And this store just so happens to be in Memphis, Tennessee. So I got to tell you what happened. I purchased a door. The door did not work. I threw the door away. It was too much work to be trying to get whatever that was on the door off. So what I did was this insert here. You see that insert? You can see that insert at P's for $499. They have it on sale. Normally these inserts are like $8.99 or $4.99. They're the inserts that go in the door. All you got to do is purchase an insert or get it from somewhere, cut the hole in your door and put the insert in. That's basically what it is. So I got rid of the door that I had. It was a solid wood door. And I was thinking, like, you know what? I got to go to Habitat and get another door. Now, of course, I want things nice in the workspace that I'm going to create, but I needed another door. And this is what I got um, right here. This door was $25 at the Restore. This is a steel door. This door is $286. $286 at Home Depot. This door right here. And yes, the insert will fit it. And I was thinking, like, let me drive by Habitat, go get the door. But this door was so heavy, I walked it up. I had to walk it up. I do have this little dolly, but my dolly is in storage. And I was like, let me just walk it up. And I did. I walked it left, right, left, right. But this is the shopping haul. This door was $25. And then I got this door right here for $20. Because I was like, I'm going to take that insert and put that in that door and put a gold kick plate at the bottom and a fancy knob and use this door. This was $20, but this is an interior door. But I see that 105 there that lends me to believe that that was from an apartment or some type of suite or something like that. Or maybe it was interior suite doors or apartment doors or something. But you can take some marine sealant or something and put on the outside of a. I was gonna take marine sealant and put it on the outside of an interior door to make it my front door with a metal vent protector door on the outside. But I'm told if it gets wet, it would be an absolute mess. So this door, this is what it is. I've got to take, this is what I purchased it for, to take this insert out and put that insert in, and there you have it, and paint the door. So guys, this is the shopping haul. This is what we got from Habitat. I want to tell you something about Habitat. When I went there, people were standing in line because you have a lot of resellers that purchase stuff and they do resale. Where somebody like me, I'm purchasing items to do 3 buildings and stuff. And thank God for whomever created Habitat, you know, for people like me that need the savings and stuff like that. But you have all these people outside doing grabs, standing in line so they can resell the stuff. They just grab it. But the thing is, like, I'm like, why are all these people in line? It's like gobs and goo gobs of people in line. But they're all standing in line. We all walk through the door the same way. They have enough baskets. People walk in the door the same way. That's a whole nother story about that. But God has been absolutely amazing. I'm able to get whatever it is that I need. He's provided it for me. You know, and I was able to haul it away in a truck that I purchased because I knew I had to haul a lot of stuff. And for the first time, I think the truck may need work. I've had the truck for a couple of years now, hauling things. But yeah, this is what we got. This is our shopping haul. We have 2 doors. And before I started doing videos, you all have no idea. I have 7 storages. And I have goo gobs and goo gobs of wood doors and French doors and all that I need for my front doors. So, yeah, we can work on this, paint this down, put a fancy knob on it, put a kick plate down at the bottom of it, and call it a day instead of paying 1,500, for a door with an insert. We can create our own, and that's what the story is, and that's what we're going to do. But guys, I just wanted to show you the shopping haul for the Habitat of Humanity item, and then also on the video will be before this. The store is like kind of dirty, like the floor, like about like my garage, my workspace, whatever. But they get a lot of good stuff in there. Whatever habitat you go to, I go to a lot of different stores. I've been to the one in Jackson. I've been to the one in Nashville. I go to different stores. Just please subscribe to the channel because I'm always shopping for something and you'll have the experience. This store is located on Winchester in Memphis, Tennessee, at Winchester and Riverdale. But they always have something in there. And when you watch the video, you're going to be like, oh my God, that's junk or whatever. That store looks like that because they have robbed that store of all its goods. I'm telling you. People come in, they buy, they have good stuff at that store. So don't be slighted by the video because when I filmed the video, there was nothing there. But that's an experience to show you that they don't always have things at the Habitat. It's whoever donates, whatever it is that they have going for that particular day. And sometimes you'll find yourself at the store, you're in there, and then people will come in and donate items. So I'm telling you, Habitat is our go-to store. That is our go-to store. That's where we're going to get the goods from. It's always going to be Habitat. So if you go there, they don't have anything, lay out for a couple of weeks, lay out for a month or two, then go back. And I'm telling you, it's just like you're being like a kid in a candy store because people donate things and they won't have it if people don't donate. So anyway, this is our shopping haul from Habitat of Humanity Restore. I have my God, have my Bible, and I have my gun. Until next time, please leave comments if you have questions, like, subscribe. I want you to subscribe. I want you to watch the videos. Until next time, be good to each other and take care of yourselves. My friends, you guys are my friends. Thank you. Donna Lisa signing out.